Before using the app for the first time, install and connect the SJCAM X app on your phone. For detailed connection steps, refer to the app connection tutorial video. 1. App shooting screen overview. 2. Taking photos and recording videos. Tap the shutter button to take a photo or start recording. Tap it again to stop recording. Swipe left or right on the main screen, or tap the shooting mode icon in the lower right corner to switch shooting modes. Tap the resolution icon in the upper right corner to change the resolution for the current shooting mode. Tap the settings icon in the lower right corner to adjust settings for the current shooting mode. For example, you can change the resolution, enable or disable the watermark, and adjust the white balance. You can also adjust system settings, such as the system language and screen sleep time. 3. Previewing, downloading, and deleting files. After shooting, tap the playback icon in the lower left corner. You can then browse all photos and videos. Tap any file to open the preview screen. Tap the icon in the upper right corner to manage the file. Tap the button in the lower right corner to download the file to your phone. To delete the file, tap the icon in the lower left corner. Return to the playback screen and tap the function icon in the upper right corner to select multiple files. Use the buttons at the bottom to download or delete the selected files in batches. 4. Ending app control. Swipe down on the camera. Touch screen to open the shortcut menu. Turn off Wi-Fi to disconnect the camera from the app.